Tesla's latest project is turning heads with its groundbreaking take on affordable living. The upcoming tiny house for 2025 is making waves due to its astonishingly low price and cutting-edge features that could redefine what budget-friendly housing looks like. With real estate prices soaring, the possibility of a high-tech, low-cost home from Tesla is an exciting development. The big question is, can Tesla really deliver on its promises? Is the price truly as accessible as it seems? We're diving deep into the real cost, the technology behind it, and whether Tesla might have any special deals lined up. The initial price point for the Tesla tiny house has been leaked, and it's nothing short of shocking. Internal reports suggest that the base model will start at just under $7,000 a price. That seems almost too good to be true. Given Tesla's reputation for pushing technological limits, it's an astonishingly low figure. But this isn't just a simple structure with four walls. Tesla's approach to design and manufacturing means this home could come packed with futuristic tech. To put this into perspective, the average cost of constructing a traditional home in the US is well over $150,000, and in some states it goes beyond $250,000. Even the cheapest prefabricated tiny homes usually start around $30,000 and can easily exceed $90,000 for premium models. With such an aggressive price point, the question becomes how Tesla is managing to achieve this level of affordability. The company's success with mass production materials, science, and supply chain efficiency suggests that this isn't just a marketing stunt. The Model Y became the top-selling vehicle worldwide, not only because it was an electric car, but because Tesla optimized production to reduce costs. Similarly, the Cybertruck's unique design eliminated the need for traditional body panels and paint, significantly cutting down expenses. If Tesla applies the same cost-saving methods to home construction, then a home priced under $7,000, while surprising, is not entirely out of reach. However, Tesla's past pricing history raises some concerns. The Cybertruck was initially promised at around $40,000, yet the cheapest available version now starts much higher. The Model 3 was also once touted as a $35,000 vehicle, but most buyers ended up paying closer to $50,000. If history is any indication, the base model of the Tesla tiny house might technically exist at the advertised price, but additional features such as a built-in energy storage system, improved insulation, or advanced climate control could push the final cost well beyond $10,000. Even so, a price range between $10,000 and $15,000 would still make it one of the most affordable and technologically advanced tiny homes on the market. A major part of what makes this possible is Tesla's ability to innovate in manufacturing and materials. While most homes rely on traditional materials like wood, concrete, and brick, all of which have seen rising costs, Tesla is taking an entirely different approach. The company has reportedly eliminated the use of wood, completely opting instead for advanced composite steel and aluminum, similar to the cold-rolled stainless steel found in the Cybertruck. This shift not only cuts costs, but also allows for high-precision manufacturing with robotic automation, reducing waste and speeding up production. Tesla's factories, which already use massive gigapresses for vehicle production, could be repurposed to manufacture entire sections of the home in record time. Beyond reducing upfront costs, Tesla is aiming to make homeownership more affordable in the long run by eliminating key monthly expenses. One of the biggest costs for tiny homeowners is energy. Traditional off-grid solutions often require costly solar panel systems, which can range from several thousand to over $20,000. Tesla's solution is to integrate solar technology directly into the home, removing the need for expensive add-ons. This not only saves on installation costs, but also ensures a seamless energy system that can function without reliance on traditional utilities. Water infrastructure is another major cost that Tesla is working around. Traditional homes require expensive plumbing connections that can add thousands to the overall cost. Tesla's approach appears to involve an advanced water filtration and recycling system, similar to those found in self-sustaining expedition vehicles. This could make off-grid living far more viable, even in remote areas where standard infrastructure isn't available. Perhaps the biggest advantage Tesla has over competitors in the tiny home market is its ability to scale production. Most tiny home manufacturers rely heavily on manual labor, requiring hundreds of hours to build each unit. Even companies specializing in modular homes still depend on separate production lines for each section, limiting output. Tesla's highly automated factories could potentially produce an entire tiny home shell in under a day, slashing labor costs by thousands compared to traditional builders. Another area where Tesla can cut costs is distribution. Unlike conventional home purchases, which involve real estate agents, mortgage lenders, and additional fees, Tesla operates on a direct-to-consumer model. The company disrupted of the auto industry by selling vehicles online, bypassing dealerships and their associated markups. This same strategy applied to home sales could eliminate thousands of dollars in extra expenses, making the tiny house even more accessible. Despite these cost-cutting measures, history suggests that optional features, supply chain constraints, and initial production limits could mean most buyers won't be able to secure the base model at the lowest price. Instead, add-ons like a Tesla Powerwall for off-grid energy storage, enhanced insulation for extreme weather, and smart home integrations could bring the final price much closer to the mid-teens. Still, even at those prices, it would undercut nearly every other option on the market while offering superior technology. Tesla's promotional strategy for the tiny house is also drawing attention. While the lowest advertised price sounds incredible, the reality is likely more complex. Tesla has a pattern of offering attractive entry-level prices, but attaching conditions to access them. Reports suggest that existing Tesla customers might be given priority for the best deals, particularly those who already own a Tesla vehicle or Powerwall. This could be part of a strategy to encourage customers to buy into the full Tesla ecosystem, similar to past promotions where Tesla bundled discounts for buyers who purchase multiple products. For those who don't qualify for loyalty discounts, financing may be the key to getting the tiny house at a low upfront cost. Leaks indicate that Tesla may offer long-term payment plans with installments as low as $99 per month over several years. While this makes the home more accessible, the total cost over time could end up being significantly higher than the base price. Even so, compared to traditional mortgages where monthly payments often exceed $1,500, this still represents a major shift in affordability. There are also rumors about an even more budget-friendly variant, which some are calling the Tesla Tiny House Lite. This version could be priced below $5,000, but it would likely come with notable trade-offs. To hit this lower price point, Tesla might strip away certain features such as integrated solar roofing, requiring buyers to purchase additional equipment separately. It could also reduce the total living space, making it a more compact option. Another possibility is that the lowest priced version would only be available as part of a package deal for those who already own Tesla products. Tesla has used similar strategies in the past, offering exclusive discounts to existing customers as a way to keep them within the ecosystem. If this approach is taken with the tiny house, the sub $5,000 option could be more of a marketing tool than a widely available deal. Even so, the overall pricing structure remains highly competitive, shaking up an industry where even the most basic alternatives cost significantly more. While the Tesla Tiny House promises a revolutionary take on affordable, sustainable living, questions remain about how accessible it will truly be for the average buyer. The concept of a high-tech off-grid home at an unprecedented price is undeniably appealing. But as with past Tesla products, the real-world availability of the base model remains uncertain. Would you consider making the switch to a tiny home if it meant lower expenses and no utility bills? Do you think Tesla will actually deliver on its pricing, or will the real cost end up much higher than the advertised figure? Let's hear your thoughts